Welcome back all. In today's video, we're exploring the top 6 South Indian suspense thriller movies in Hindi dubbed and streaming now that will keep you on the edge of your seat. From psychological mindbenders to investigative thrillers, these films prove that South Indian cinema is in a league of its own. Let's jump right into the list. We kick things off with the Malayalam thriller Identity, a psychological roller coaster where nothing is as it seems. Starring Tovino Thomas and Trisha Krishnan, the film centers on a man suffering from a rare identity disorder. As a string of murders begins to unravel in the city, clues oddly lead back to him. But is he the killer, a pawn, or something more sinister? With a non-linear narrative and mind-bending twists, Identity is a puzzle you'll love to get lost in. At number 5, we have Kuman. Kuman is an intense investigative thriller directed by Jeethu Joseph, the master behind Drishyam. It follows a sharp but underrated police constable played by Asif Ali, who begins to notice a pattern in a series of petty crimes. As he digs deeper, he uncovers a disturbing truth that shakes the very foundations of law and order. A perfect blend of slow burn tension and shocking reveals, Kuman keeps you guessing until the very last frame. Number 4, Rekha Chitram. Rekha Chitram follows a suspended cop played by Asif Ali, who's brought back to solve a 40-year-old murder case. A businessman's shocking suicide confession leads him to a missing actress from a 1985 film. As secrets unravel, the case exposes dark truths hidden in the film industry. Gripping and nostalgic, this Malayalam thriller keeps you hooked till the end. Don't let the quirky title fool you. Srikakulam Sherlock Holmes is a razor-sharp Telugu mystery drama. Set in a small Andhra town, it follows a brilliant yet eccentric schoolteacher with a knack for solving local crimes. When a teenage girl goes missing, he gets pulled into a case far darker than anyone imagined. Blending wit, social commentary, and layered suspense, this film is a fresh take on small-town investigation with a Sherlockian twist. At number 2, Veeradira Soran. Part 2 follows Kali, a provision store owner in Madurai, who lives a peaceful life with his family. However, Kayali's past involvement in a dangerous crime network soon catches up with him, turning his world upside down. As his old enemies resurface, Kayali must navigate through a web of crime, danger, and violence to protect his loved ones. Packed with action, suspense, and emotional stakes, this sequel is a gripping tale of survival and redemption. Finally, we have Virunu, a slow-burn Malayalam psychological thriller that builds tension like a coiled spring. The story revolves around a dinner party in a secluded mansion, where guests slowly start realizing they've all been lured there for a reason. As truths unfold and facades break, the film turns into a claustrophobic web of guilt, revenge, and psychological warfare. Minimalistic in setting but rich in suspense, Virunu is an emotional thriller that leaves a lasting impact. And there you have it, 6 brilliant South Indian suspense thrillers. Which one will you watch first? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more carefully curated cinema recommendations. Until next time, keep watching and keep discovering.